ministerial level to find solutions to these particular challenges.
The Wildlife Research Training Institute, in collaboration with Kenya Wildlife Service, are currently conducting a nationwide wildlife census. The exercise, which is the second in the country's history, is set to give a current number of animals, which is said to have been decimated by drought in 2022, followed by flooding in 2023. Now, the data will inform policy formulation, conservation plans, and marketing the country as a wildlife tourism destination, with the exercise employing modern technology for speed and accuracy. Ken Gashuhi reports.
Data and wildlife scientists camped at Lake Nakuru National Park for a census exercise targeting mammals, the statistics being of significant national importance.
It's very, very important to know what we have as a country to inform the management of wildlife as a tourist product. As a country, we'll be able to examine whether we need to review the current policies and strategies.
A 2021 National Wildlife Census covered approximately 60% of Kenya's total landmass. The count established 13,500 Maasai giraffes and 1,160 cheetahs, more than 36,000 elephants, 2,500 lions, 842 white rhinos, and 900 black rhinos.
The country did experience a severe drought in 2022 and then flooding in the early 2023. And therefore, we want to establish the numbers after those two events.
In addition to statistics, the exercise will collect data on habitat changes and impact on animal behavior, such as the rise in water levels, encroaching on rangelands at Lake Nakuru National Park.
We shall be able to know the population of the wildlife and the distribution, their patterns, and the areas where they have occupied.
The exercise is conducted from a low-flying helicopter where observers capture their observations using voice recorders, cameras and GPS devices to avoid double counting. The data is then relayed to this data center.
We start by downloading the data or information from the voice recorder. We joined it with the GPS data so that we can have spatial data. When we see a herd of animals, we take a photo. We can verify by counting physical from the photos.
This technological advancement is faster and more accurate than the previous ground counting method.
Sometimes back, we were using just a tool like data forms, and then we were doing road census, and that one was taking many days. These blocks were guided by roads or maybe rivers' physical features. But technology, we can now even standardize our timing of census.
Ken Gashuhi, KTN News.